shit! So, welcome from the village of India. Starting our biking journey. And luckily we're not too far off the freeway. Or the road, as I say here. So, we have about 70 kilometers today. Crashfield Lake. So we're very overloaded, if you can't tell. Here's the back. But we have about 80 kilometers to go today. It should take me about 5 hours. And we are heavy. It's hard to turn, it's hard to pedal. Very heavy bike right now, so it's gonna be a journey. We're gonna see how far we can get. We're gonna go to Nepal. Should take us 6 days. And we're gonna do it on $30. So we had to get the bike checked. I wanted to make sure everything was okay, but I had to check it at this village. I didn't want to film it, but look at this. Pretty neat. I want to go down there, but I'd have to park the bike and like walk all the way. So we'll find another one. But let's keep it going. The bike's making a really weird noise. You can hear it. I think it's just strains, but he checked it, said everything's good. I think there's just a lot of weight on the bike. There's not supposed to be this much weight. So let's keep going. We got this whole backpack tent. We got a lot of stuff. Off we go. I haven't looked at the GPS or anything. We're just going straight.
Hello.
Hello. Alright, we found this monkey. Let's go look for the monkey. Look at this. He scared him when he broke the bike, or brake, whatever it's called.
I'm the video on TV.
Yeah, you want on a video?
Hello.
Got the kid? Got the monkey going down? Oh my god. Wow, I never knew they could do that. Well, I did, but I never seen it. Yeah, I got it from America. We got both of us now. Okay. Ay, ay, ay.
360 है 360
Huh?
360 डिग्री घूमता है
English. Don't understand.
देखिए जरा आपको ये कैमरा
There you go.
हेलो बहुत है इसमें क्वालिटी बहुत बेहतर है बहुत बढ़िया ये वीडियो बनाता है हम इनके साथ पे अब घूम पाए थोड़े दिन। हम भैंसुरी में रहे। हम जा रहे हैं अब लखनऊ घूमने कल। चलोगे?
You want me to video your village?
हाँ
Yeah, let's go.
चलिए।
Yeah. All right, I'll film the guys' village. Why not? Let's go. I have to hurry, like quick.
हाँ।
Yeah.
हमारे साथ पढ़ाई करोगे? रीडिंग।
Yeah. Guys.
लाओ हम बनाए वीडियो।
Yeah.
हाँ हेलो, ये भैया जी
Video.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है भैया जी के साथ घूमने में। ये वीडियो पोस्ट करोगे आप?
Video.
वीडियो अपलोड इंस्टाग्राम?
Yeah.
भैया जी के साथ भी घूमकर बहुत मुझे अच्छा लगा गाइस। ये कैमरा मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। आप हम साइकिल से ही अमेरिका से आए हैं क्या?
From Lucknow.
लखनऊ से।
Lucknow. Wow, that looks. They carry like those wood or whatever. I always see it. American. Yeah. So I took a different route. I was supposed to go on like the main freeway. I took a side route. That's another like 2 hours, 3 hours, maybe an extra day. Depends on how fast I'm going. But I wanted to get off the freeway and take side roads. So that's what we did. So we're en route to an Indian village. This kid's village, actually. He stopped me off the side of the road, told me to follow him. That's what we're doing. There's a bike behind me. I can't let him pass though. I gotta gear down. Hold up. Okay. A lot more comfortable on lower gears. Oh man. I gotta gear really far down. I'm way overloaded, so I'm very, very, very heavy. Huh?
कलर बहुत बढ़िया है।
Color? Oh, white.
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया।
Thank you.
हाँ
What?
कितना ये सब वो है।
Lift my shirt up. All right, let's go.
चलो।
Yeah, cholo.
कैंप कहाँ लगाओगे?
Huh?
कैंप कहाँ लगाओगे?
Camp Kahala? Huh? No, camp here.
हैं?
No camp here. I have to go.
चलो।
All right, let's go.
लाओ आपकी साइकिल चलाएं यार भाई।
Yeah, I'm going to a different city.
हैं?
Let's go.
चलो।
It's like lifting up my shirt. Kind of funny. There's probably not a lot of tourists that's come through. I don't know, maybe, but. Oof.
टाइम
3:30. 15:30. Oh, really? Let's film this.
किधर इधर चलें कि इधर?
That way.
चलो। लाओ हम वीडियो यार बनाए भाई।
You want to film?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है वीडियो बनाने। चलो आओ। दिलवा तोड़ले बाड़ू अपने हाथे से सीली का, बड़ी दर्द होता हो बंटी बबली पीली का। You give me.
Yeah, you want me to film you?
हैं?
Yeah.
ओ हाँ जय हो मजा आ रहा है।
Hello, from India. Long way.
हो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। अरे यार रुक कर बांध। रुके क्या?
Yeah, cholo.
चलिए। मैंगो ट्री।
Mango tree.
हाँ
That's nice.
इसमें मैंगो लगते हैं बहुत बड़े बड़े, बिग मैंगो।
Okay.
ब्लॉग
Vlog, yeah?
आप योर वर्क
No.
नो
Maybe. Hopefully. All right. It was nice to meet you. I have to go. I have to go. I got to go. Okay. Nice to meet you.
कैसा
Yeah.
लगा?
I go this way.
ठीक है।
Okay. Goodbye.
बाय।
Okay. We're in relatively remote India. Look at this river. That thing is going fast. Well, we got about 20 more kilometers, then it's gonna get dark. We'll get some food and we'll set up camp. So it's our first official day. The music's great, it really gets you through it. So, off we go. So the video too. Anyways, we got some locals. So, we're in a good mood. You know, we feel alive, feel happy. We're on a $100 bike. We got no plans besides to drive north. So, we got cows. Hello. Look at this. The locals here. Actually, they're gods. And one of them is running a hello. So, anyways, life's great. Oh, shh. I scared him. Hey, you always respect the locals everywhere you go. So, off we go. And look at how beautiful India is.
Selfie bhai, selfie.
Hello.
भाई हेलो भाई भाई ब्रेक 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 हाँ भाई
Nice to meet you.
और सब
Nice to meet you. English?
कहाँ से भाई?
Picture. Yeah.
भाई सेल्फी सेल्फी
Selfie. Yeah.
सेल्फी
Yeah, we do both.
हाँ मैं सुनिए
Yeah.
चले क्या है
I'll be back.
लखनऊ
लखनऊ
Oh, this look good.
लखनऊ से होते या कोटवा से गली होते आए
Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go. Nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you.
हाँ नाइस
Nice to meet you. You were tiny. Nice to meet you. I like the stick. Can I see stick? Oh, no stick. Okay.
ये सब छोड़ो
Okay. Goodbye.
जाइए
Okay. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye.
बाय बाय
Goodbye. Goodbye. I gotta get the music going back up. The music has put me in a good mood. They are too. Hello, mooer. Moo. Oh my god, why are you so scared? Look at this guy. He's got a big sack. Actually, that's a uterus. Remember, know your biology, guys. Know your biology. So, off we go. Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you? Tired. I gotta go left. Okay. Horns. Hello. Hello. Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, fine.
Good. 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 Oh shit! Oh. You guys okay? Oh my god. Causing an Indian accident. That'll be crazy. Oh my god.
कैसे नहीं चल पा रहे हो मैं मालूम है वहां से देख रहा हूं दिल्ली घूम रही हो साइकिल वाले के चक्कर में इसके चक्कर में
He's giving a thumbs up. I was beating this guy's ass.
Which is your country?
America.
America. Very
Nice to meet you.
You are only
Just myself. Yeah.
cycling.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Boy, he hit a cop. That's crazy. Sorry, sorry. Okay. Alright, I go. Okay.
No problem.
Sorry.
No problem. If you want to take tea or coffee,
Gee, yeah, why not? Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Okay, yeah.
if you want to take something Chinese food or tea or cold drink, something, you can take here.
I just ate, so I'll get some tea. I ate. Yeah. Hey. Okay. Yeah. Oh, camera. I was gonna say, something's always in my right pockets. Wasn't there. There we go. Just tea, just tea.
साहब बैठिए आप
You want lunch?
No, just chai. Just chai.
बाहर की साइकिल खड़ी हुई है एक कैमरा तो लगा ना हमारा
Okay, camera.
कैमरा ऑन
The road, yeah, they,
problem, there's
okay. Okay,
सर बैठ गए
that's hilarious. Funniest thing I've ever seen. Now I look better with this haircut. Okay. Hello. Everyone's so friendly. This guy's got like a 3 rank. I don't know what that is, but he's got 3 stripes. He speaks English too, so I think he wants me off the road. Yeah, the camera.
What do you want, sir?
Huh?
What do you want, sir?
Just
Chai, coffee,
just
or
chai.
something?
Oh,
Chai.
good coffee. Coffee would be great.
Okay.
Coffee. Yeah.
Coffee एक दे दीजिए बढ़िया
Yeah. What's this? 3 rank.
I'm from Uttar Pradesh police.
Please.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Where are you going?
Nepal.
He's from Maharashtra police.
Oh, Mirage.
Mumbai police.
Oh, I was just there.
You came from there?
Yeah, one of your traffic police. He took money out of my wallet. They're funny. But I was in
आप बैठे सर बैठ रहे
अरे बैठे यार
so fun. Okay.
क्या है भाई खाने में
So we made some good progress. We're trying to find a place to camp. 2 people told me no to camping like in their backyard. So we're just gonna go down this road and try to find somewhere a little bit hidden. Yeah, we're gonna try to see if we can find a place to sleep tonight. So before it gets too dark, because there's tigers that come out, there's like random stuff I don't know about, so I want to find a place to sleep soon. So yeah, see you when I get there. Right, I don't know if you can see me. So there was a change of plan. Nobody let me stay, so I just kept driving on the road. It got too dark. I'll show you the road. I was getting a little nervous for a bit, but like down there you can see how the road just dies. There's no light over there, but some light here, which is good. We went and got some food, and then I was sitting and talking with these guys for a little bit, asking about America, but we ended up getting a temple. So this was the only place that would let us stay. So thank you to the Hindus here that are hosting us. They're very nice people. They speak no English, but you can see there's somebody sleeping right there. They're actually sleeping on the ground next to me. So I pitched my tent already. I didn't want to film it and be disrespectful and have them on camera if they didn't want to or anything. But here's the place. It's nice. It's very nice. And they were telling me, they're like, oh, like this is basically all they could say is God. So I'll show you one of the gods. Like God is here. Just let me show you. And we're gonna go on top for a little bit, but I have to whisper or I can't talk. So I don't want to be rude and wake them up. It's a little late. But there in the back, that's where they have like one of their gods is kept there. And then I'll show you over here. Then there's one more, it's a cow. I want to be really quiet, don't want to wake anyone up, so And there's a woman over there on fire. I think I keep waking this guy up, and I don't want to wake him up because he's sleeping right here. So let's go up. Yeah, this is it. Very nice Hindu temple. It's beautiful here. And there's a girl down there. I don't want to be rude, but yeah, it's really nice. So I'm very glad they could let me stay. I want to just sit up here. It's really nice on the roof, but I should go down to the tent. I don't want to make any more noise, so we're going to start our cycling journey tomorrow. Again, we have another 200 kilometers to go, 180, and you can't tell, but I completely cracked the GoPro, but it doesn't matter. We have an extra, and this one's going good. Today was a long day, and I got rejected like 10 to 15 times asking for a place to stay, but luckily we're safe, and we're in a beautiful place. So before I go, I will show you guys that last my view when I wake up. I have my tent right at like this. I think it's like a god figure there, but and it's cold. If you can't tell, it's cold here. So I'm gonna go set everything up, and see you tomorrow.